Hi, this is Daniel for GearBest. Today I bring you a brand new Lenovo fitness band. It's the HX06. It's brand new, it's very cool, very nice design. I'm gonna do a very quick unboxing. Here is the fitness band itself. Inside it comes with an instruction manual and the warranty, and that's pretty much it. Now, attention to the instruction manual because it has the QR code somewhere here. Yeah, it has the QR code for the app, the companion app, and that's very important because a lot of the functions from the fitness band are related or need the support of that app. So if you're using an iPhone or an Android smartphone, it's compatible with both Android and iOS, you will need that app. To really enjoy all the features included in the fitness band. Now, what does it have so special? I mean, it has pedometer, here's the display, time, pedometer, calories burned during the day, the distance that you walked or traveled during a set day or a set time. Also, if you synchronize with your smartphone, you get notifications from Facebook, Twitter, and other apps, and you can also set up alarm clocks and reminders. That's pretty much it. I mean, it's a very simple fitness band design-wise. The price as well, it's very, well, I don't want to say cheap, but it's very low, so it's very affordable. Very easy to use. When you want to charge it, just remove the bracelets like this, one by one, and the charging plug or unit is right here. And this is the actual device. All the technology is working inside. So that's pretty much it. I mean, you remove it and then you can put it back on very easily as well, seamless, just like you did to insert it. Little button here to change the many functions included. And that's it, the Lenovo Fitness Band HX06, brand new. Check the links below, all the details, the specs, the pricing, and you might find some discounts from us as well. Like and subscribe, and we have many other devices such as this one. Also, we have other fitness bands, so if you're looking for that, GearBest is the place. Thank you for watching.